In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add overlay in CapCut PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Open the CapCut on your PC. This method applies to both the CapCut mobile application and its web version. The first step is to upload the videos you wish to layer. I've already selected my videos for layering. My choice for the background is this video. To start, click the plus icon import button to add the video to the project and drag it to the timeline. I plan to shorten the video for suitability. Next, I'll add the video I want to overlay. Return to your media folder, click the import again, and add it to the track. Initially, both videos will be on the same layer. I'll remove the unnecessary part of the video, leaving only the beginning where I want the video to start. To overlay, simply click and hold the video, then drag it upwards to create a new video track. Now, it appears above the other video. When played, you can see the overlay, but not the video underneath. To adjust this, I'll zoom into the timeline for clarity. In the video preview, you can resize the overlay by clicking and dragging the corners. Alternatively, use the scale tool on the right to adjust its size and position it as desired. Or I can make the overlay blend with the video underneath by clicking on the chroma key and adjusting the strength and shadow just like this. CapCut also allows you to add more elements like videos, text, and stickers. When finished, click Export in the top right corner. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like below. Thank you.